Hi, I'm Cheryl Johnson, Chief HR Officer at Paylocity, and I want to tell you about how our employees have used Community and how it's actually helped us drive better communication and transparency across the organization. Prior to Community, we had different departments using several different tools to communicate and collaborate. And in fact, there were some teams who weren't using anything at all. It was impossible to have one conversation. If we wanted to talk to the entire organization, we had to do multiple posts in multiple locations and hope everyone actually saw it. Well, we're a fast-moving company, and transparency, it's an important part of what our employees expect from us. Our employees want to know what's happening in the company, but they also actually want to know why those decisions are being made. Enter Community. Community is the single, unified location for communicating and engaging with your organization. A place where your employees already go and they don't have to download anything new. Well, as soon as we launched Community, we immediately had the ability to reach everyone in the company in one instance. Everyone was able to hear the same message at the same time and interact with it. Community acted as a unifier for the organization. This was the first positive impact for us. Now, the second positive impact was that it actually helped us improve transparency. Not only does Community allow for unified communication, it also opens up a two-way dialogue with your employees, and that can be incredibly valuable. I want to share a story with you. So we recently shared a video, and we had an employee call us out in this platform and Community on it not being adapted properly for hearing impaired. Now, missing something like that might sound like a moment, but commenting allowed her to start a dialogue with us that affected change immediately. And in the full spirit of transparency, other employees could openly see this conversation happening live. So it's more than sharing a communication. It's reinforcing our leadership values and our beliefs, and it reassures our employees that they have a voice. So if you want your employees to feel connected, empowered, and engaged all in one place, a place they're already familiar with, Community can truly make a difference for your culture and organization. I hope you find as much value in it as we have.